in the beginning, there's certainly merit in the beginning, but there needs to be some type of graduation to 13th step. But the biggest benefit of traditional 12 step is the fellowship. So there are people, like-minded people, um, that are, you can talk to there in person. Like, what a concept to be able to see a person face to
Well,
face.
I would challenge you there, right? Not to cut you off. I think at times it can be like-minded individuals, but I think that this may actually play a role into why sometimes it doesn't succeed, because you're getting mindsets from all walks of life, right?
You
You're
are
getting
very
victim
wise.
mindsets, and then you pair that with somebody like myself, like me. You put me in a room with a victim mindset person, like, we are not going to jive. One of us is going to have to leave. So
You are
I
very
do
wise.
agree with the fellowship, but I think that if we're not what's the word I'm looking for? Filtering out the people that we're surrounding ourselves with, right? Like self-development will tell you, you're the product of the 5 people you spend the
Yes,
most time with. If
yes.
your
And
12-step groups is full of toxic individuals that are
yes,
not going anywhere in life, that are
yes,
victims, you will become the next one in that
yes.
category.
And that's the catch 22 here. That's the catch 22, is that you get to talk to people that are trying to recover. And I actually got worse in what I was pursuing online. People would say sometimes, like, where they're going and stuff online, and my acting out behavior got worse. And I started going out into the real world then. Like I'm saying, porn wasn't cut it for me anymore, because I was hearing at these meetings, guys tell all these stories and crazy shit they're doing. And I'm like, oh, I'd like to try that. I never thought of that. And so you are so correct. You are so correct. So, like I said, it's a real catch 22. You get to go there, talk to guys that are recovering, but it's birds of a feather flock together. So, yeah, again, you know, it's become my whipping boy, the 12 step. But like I said, it is the best free option that I'm aware of out there, as far as 100% free in person. So, yeah.